Hi, I'm Rachael Skidmore. I'm the jewelry designer and the founder behind Made by Maeberry, where I create handmade polymer clay jewelry. I've also collaborated with other artists like Rachael Jackson from Banyan Bridges to transform art into wearable form. I'm inspired by everything that surrounds me, from vintage deco to flowers, clouds, and rainbows. I then create earring collections based on different color palettes. Whether I'm marbling, making terrazzo, or adding stripes, the goal is to make bold and versatile statement pieces. Polymer clay is a great material for this. It allows me to create thousands of designs because it's accessible, adaptable, and flexible. I aim to spark an array of emotions in whoever wears my pieces. I also aspire to create an avenue for self-expression, whether that be making earrings or wearing them. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to create polymer clay earrings using different decorative techniques. As a final project, you'll create and design your own collection of polymer clay earrings. First, I'll walk you through the tools and materials needed to make polymer clay jewelry. Then we'll learn about color theory and how to develop our own color palette. We preheat the oven because before we bake our clay, we need to talk about safety measures. After that, I'll show you 3 different decorative techniques: marbling, stripes, and terrazzo. We'll also go through how to create surface textures and making unique designs. And now we're ready to get into the proper baking procedures for polymer clay. We'll learn the curing process and sanding techniques. I'll show you how to drill the earrings and attach the posts so your art will be ready to dazzle. Finally, I'll teach you how to preserve your pieces and how to clean them, store them, and prepare them for retail. By the end of this course, you'll have bright, bold, expressive earrings to bring a little sparkle into your life. For this course, you'll need polymer clay, an acrylic roller, and a tissue blade. You'll also need a simple oven, jump rings, earring backs, and other materials you can find at any DIY store. Make them, wear them, sell them. Learn how to transform your polymer clay into jewelry.